guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial, hopefully. I don't really actually know what this is gonna be. I just know that I wanted to film something. But yeah, I'm getting ready to film a video on this hair. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm already sprayed my face with Fix Plus and let that sit. Since it's going to be a full face routine, I might as well go ahead and talk about why I use certain things. I spray my face with Fix Plus always because it helps to moisturize my face, to get my face ready for the makeup that I'm about to put down, and also it helps for the makeup to adhere to my skin instead of my skin being completely bare. Of course, you know about primers, but primers to me sometimes make me a little more oily than I already am, and I feel like this, although it does help to moisturize, it kind of combats the dryness and the oiliness that takes place throughout the day. I just found that if my face is more moisturized, it helps for my makeup to stay on better and last longer, and I don't get oily as quickly. Outside it's really cold, so the wind blowing and stuff makes my face feel dry, and then when my face feels dry it gets oily. But it's just a reaction that my skin has whenever I think my body thinks that I'm dry. It just shoots oil to my face to try and protect it, so kind of counteracts the oiliness. But anyways, so that's why I do that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I bought some new CK1, so I'm really excited because it's my favorite foundation. So I hope that I'm focused here. Am I focused? Can you see me? Am I focused, guys? Okay, I think I'm more in focus now. I'm going to be using my Artis brush. This one is the Oval 8, I think. Yeah, the Oval 8. And yes, these brushes are expensive, but I promise you they are way worth the money. I've never reviewed anything that was sent to me like this that I really truly 100,000% recommend, because I would definitely save up my money to buy this brush. Of all the brushes that I tried, this is my favorite, just because it helps my foundation to go on so smoothly and quickly with ease. It doesn't even take like a lot of work, you know, like I just pump it and press it and smooth it out, guys. It takes like no effort at all, and I love that. So, and the key to having a full coverage, long lasting foundation-y face, foundation-y, is that a word? Is to build. So I'm starting off with one layer of foundation, and it's really easy to cake your face on if you feel like you need a lot of coverage, but sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes the best way to do it is to apply a foundation that isn't 100% full coverage, and then use a really full coverage foundation to spot conceal your face, or use concealer. People are always like, how do you apply your foundation? How do you get your face to look so flawless? Well, I don't use one product, and that's the key. I layer products, but I don't wear a lot all over, if that makes sense. And as you can see, you can still see dark spots and things like that, blemishes and stuff. They're not covered completely by the foundation. So what I'm going to do is, I have a sample of the Kat Von D foundation, and I know that this foundation is expensive, so I don't buy it. Like I don't buy it. And the reason I get a sample is because you really don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. I just went to Sephora and asked for a sample in my size, in my color, and yeah, I'm just going to spot conceal with that foundation. And because this is a heavy, full coverage, full dewy foundation, it covers everything, so where you don't even have to like put any concealer on top. But I don't like to put it all over my face, because for a normal day I don't want to be cake face, and it's not my exact color to be putting it all over my face, so that's why I use it sparingly. So I'm just putting it all over my forehead, because my forehead has been breaking out crazily past few weeks, and I need to cover a lot, and I'm wearing a middle part, so my forehead is all out, so gotta make sure that's covered. And I'm only applying like a tiny bit, like just a tiny bit to the spots that I want to cover. My face is getting better though. It had been breaking out pretty bad, but I think that it's getting a lot better. I've been drinking a lot of water. I try to drink 2 cups of green tea a day, eat at least 1 green vegetable a day. I bought these little juices that contain green vegetables, a serving of green vegetables, so just in case I don't eat green vegetables, I'll have something to back me up. I mean, your skin is only going to be as good as what you eat. So I'm just going to let that sit, and I'm going to go back because I didn't do my eyebrows. What is wrong with me? I like to use waterproof brow gel. This is by Makeup Forever. I've had this same one since like 2012. I'm not even kidding. I've had this for like 2 years, and I still haven't ran out, and I use it every day. I don't know. This thing is like jam-packed with product, but you really don't need a lot, so maybe that's why. It's by far my favorite brow product that I use. Of course, you can use whatever you please. I have a brow tutorial if you want to check it out. I'll probably make another one because that one was for my black hair, and I don't use any of the products that I use in that tutorial anymore. I just apply that. Look how far back I did that. We'll fix it in a second. I'm using my Graftopian concealer palette to conceal my brows as usual. And I've had the same palette for like 1.5 years, and like I said, never fails me. So sorry if you can see my mirror all up in the screen, but I need to get a vanity mirror. But until then, my ghetto Walmart mirror will just have to do. I think we got the eyebrows on fleek. I'm gonna shorten them though because they're too long on this side. There we go. Okay, moving along. So you guys know my favorite all-time concealer is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, but I'm running out of my color, so I've been using my other favorite concealer, which is my Select Cover Up Concealer, and this is literally this was the first concealer that I ever used, and I love it. It just covers so well, and I found the best way to apply it is with your fingers. Los dedos. I should be like a Dora the Explorer YouTuber and like say things in Spanish and then have you guys repeat it. Los dedos. I'm so weird. I'm actually really not that good at Spanish anymore. I can read it fluently, I can write it fluently, but I can't speak it fluently. So it doesn't really help me in real life unless you need me to write down something, but ain't that many Mexicans up here anyway where I live now, so I'm gonna blend it out a little with my handy dandy brush. Well, I'm gonna set my under eyes with banana powder because I want a full, actually, I'm gonna use this Halo Perfecting Powder from Smashbox, and my twin wife, Taylor, we're like besties now. She gave me this powder, and when I went to visit her in Tampa, so we'll see how it works. It's actually too dark for me. So that is going to be my contour. Alright, so this is now my contour color. Thanks, Taylor. Yeah, it's way too dark to put all over my face. So banana, well, I'm going to set my under eyes with banana powder, and then I'm going to set my foundation with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Powder. Sorry if I'm not as energetic as I normally am. I don't know why I'm not energetic today, I'm just not. Going in with my Little Rock Pro palette, and I'm going to take taupe and run that in my crease. I'm also going to take taupe and run it down my nose bridge here. And it's not really dark, so it's not like super contouring my nose, but it's just giving it enough depth to make it look a bit slimmer. I'm gonna take a pencil brush like this one and use that on my inner corner with the color Nude. A little bit of champagne. And I'm gonna take that on the inner corner here and then blend that out on my finger. I don't want to do eyeshadow. I just decided I don't want to do eyeshadow. I feel like I should put some eyelashes on, even though I kind of don't want to wear eyelashes today. You can't be afraid of the lashes. You have to be the lash. Be the lash. It's crazy because I'm doing all this just to film a couple videos and you guys don't really care if I have lashes on or not. Like, what? I might be too long because this one looks... Are these the same lashes? And I didn't finish my face, so I'm gonna go back and finish my face. Just gonna put some highlighter on my cheekbones and my nose and a little on my forehead and my chin. You gotta be careful with shimmery stuff because if you have bumps, it does not look cute at all. Last but not least, my lip. I don't know what lip color I'm wearing today. I think I'm gonna do Film Noir. Fix this really quick. This is the finished product. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.